Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix rollback driver. First, you need to determine if a driver rollback is the right solution for your computer's problem. Often, recent updates can cause unexpected issues. Next, open Device Manager by searching for it in your operating system's search bar. This is where you'll find all your hardware components and their associated drivers. Once in Device Manager, locate the problematic device, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Driver tab. Here, you'll find the Rollback Driver button. Click this button and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Your system will then revert to the previously installed driver version. Sometimes, the Rollback Driver option might be grayed out, meaning no previous driver is available. In such cases, try updating the driver to the latest version, or visit the device manufacturer's website to manually download an older, stable driver. If all else fails, performing a system restore to a point before the issue began can often resolve persistent driver problems. To prevent future driver issues, always ensure you're using stable, officially released drivers. Before installing any significant updates, it's a good practice to create a system restore point. This provides an easy way to revert your system if something goes wrong. Remember, proactive maintenance saves a lot of headaches. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.